Ona ministra ya githomo igiteterithagia ati Mehaririria ma igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE ni mathagathage wega. Ruhonge ruru ni rworotereirio twara ni kamiti igi githomo mbungeini ya bururi. Kamiti ino yagite uigirereki na Mehaririria mau tondu muikariri giti wa commission ya igeranio Prof George Magoha oigite kuri county itiganite iracukirwo na wici wa igeranio.
The cartels of examinations in this country are very intricate, and they involve about 20 people, and those 20 people cover the whole nation.
And it's unfortunate that you only see the chairman examination council and the CEO just doing about the exams. And you know the CS and the PS are supposed to be in charge themselves, not junior officers.
No kiria kironeka gikiagagia meciria ma kamiti ino makiria ni tondu minista wa githomo ndari bururi-ini riria erigiriirwo gukorwo akihangania na mihango iria ibere yake ya igeranio.
We have been given a letter from the ministry that the CS is away in Europe, wherever she is. The CS, the PS is in Isiolo on World Food Program, which we as a committee we are really not happy with.
Kuratwika arutwo makiria ya ngiri inya matiri na ugitiri muiganu. Ona gutwika minista wa ugitiri ni ahinyiririe ati ministry yake ni ihotorete kuheana ugitiri wothe urafatarikana.
Students who are not in class, especially in areas affected by clashes, Maunarok, Njoro and Kibra. Schools were destroyed. The ministry was supposed to come before this committee and tell us how many students have been affected, what measures they are put in place to ensure that all the 4,000 students are able to do exams.
If you thought that I have left and therefore I don't attend, no, it's still my responsibility. Because exams are partly security, it's still my responsibility. I am ready. We have formed a very solid team with my sister, and we are ready now with my sister to support you guys and support everybody to deliver on exams as agreed.
Igeranio cia bururi ikambia muthia-ini wa mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Inoro TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kimani.